I bought these furniture bumpers from Fat Loda. So let's test it out, see how they work and how they look. This comes with so many, 200 of these. They look like little droplets of water. They're not the tall flat kind, they're completely rounded. Let's go. It says it's 3M adhesive. The instructions are right on the back. Make sure the surface is clean, dry, free of any debris. Hold the bumper on the sides. You don't want to touch the adhesive, obviously. Put it wherever it needs to go. This is the vanity we just had installed, but it's hitting the wall. It came with these already installed, which is great, but we need to protect this wall. Oh, yes. So there we go, it's installed and protecting the wall now. So easy, you just peel and stick. And I just installed one here in our bathroom where our handle was hitting the Schluter. So amazing. Also concerned about our little squatty potty damaging our gorgeous toilet. So I'm gonna put some stoppers on here as well. So now, perfect. So there we go, we have a little buffer between the squatty potty and the toilet now.